just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With NASDAQ's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With NASDAQ's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with NASDAQ's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Streams starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a NASDAQ ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With NASDAQ's rhythm.
Okay. Try it again. What day is this? Monday? Tuesday? Wednesday? Tuesday? July 1st? Happy July 1st. Take 2. Streaming software ain't wanting to work properly today. It happens. Alright, let's zoom out. Got news. We do have news. PMI. That's big news. 10 o'clock. Oh, there it is. Hope everybody's out the market. Out to our hourly. Looks like we did get the pullback. We can check the daily, but inside day. Got the open at 22,866. .75. Yeah, I haven't had time to really do anything. I just opened the computer and I've been fighting with the streaming software ever since. Alright, 30-minute. We got the open there. Do our open range. Well, what we got? Yeah. You could take the rebounce of the open range. It's at 952. Back up, checking on the 1 minute. Right there. Could have took that had I been there. I did take the 2 minute open range. Just so happened to open my computer, open NinjaTrader, and said, damn, I missed it. And it was right around here. And I turned it on, and like literally within a minute it took it. At least that worked out. You gotta get something, right? Also got manufacturing prices. Didn't seem like much of a move for PMI. Expected way more than that. I think I heard something about Kyle speaking today. Let's check on that. I don't see it. I don't see it. Guess that's all they wanted to give us. Alright. Kind of going sideways. What was yesterday like? Didn't even really look at anything yesterday. Sideways. Yesterday was sideways. Today's an inside day. Already starting sideways. One of those days. That's fine. Alright, let's move on with some other things.
Sweat drips slow, watching the ticks rise and fall like a show. Every second's a punch, every move's a blow. Future's on fire, but I won't let go.
Pecker. Who's the Pecker? Looks like he's in a trade. Right? That's how I feel about it.
Fucking Mike, you're not supposed to be in gold. I'm supposed to be in an NQ. I did it again. Even with the stupid color change, and I missed the NQ trade. Call this. Anyways, at least it didn't go against me right away. Yeah, I'm trading one Bulenox master account and copy trading to all the evals that I have available at the moment, which is 7.
We're trading all the evals at once.
But I think it's a mistake because that BXM minus 261. That's it put all the accounts down to 261. I think the best thing to do is to copy one master account and 2 or 3 evals. Sucky. This is one of those one lot scalps here. I'll move the stop. That's the stop. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully we'll pop higher. Like to get. Should hold it to target, to be honest with you. I mean, that is the theory. That's not even target. Target is there. But you know what? Being down and trading in such a tight, shitty, go nowhere range.
Yeah, it looked like yesterday was a range day, wasn't it? I didn't really trade. I didn't trade at all yesterday.
Wow, gold really took off.
I think you were trading gold yesterday.
Okay, I'll take it. Let me change my scalp. I am going to change this one. Remove. We're going to make it a 1. It's enough. I'm not sure about this trade yet. I like it. I really do. Save template. Oh, one lot scalp. But I think I need more practice doing it.
Got on the stream this morning, then first my charts wouldn't work. Then my microphone wouldn't work.
I need more practice doing it, so.
Copy trading or the strategy?
Missed the fill, man. It's too bad. Yeah, the one that goes 6 points instantly. So, oh no, it's coming back. Coming back. Really? I have a visitor. How come I didn't hear bloop? Ah, shit. I'm in my trade now. Hold on, mister. Hold on, mister. Let me just get out.
Too bad you can't.
I have to make some settings changes. Are you talking?
Am I talking? Yeah.
I don't hear you at all, bud.
You don't hear me?
And it can't be on my end. I don't think so. Hold on. Nope, you're not on mute. Your volume's on. User volume 123%. Mute not unchecked.
Device
It's
input.
on your end. One of your mics are off.
I got you. All right.
There you go.
Same issue I had with Prism this morning.
Okay, let me figure out. Let's see. This is all set up easy.
I blame that one on the video. Yeah.
Okay, 2 cams. Boom, boom. There we go. Look how fast. Wow. Whoa. 1 button.
First, my charts wouldn't show up this morning. Then my microphone wouldn't show up. I was like, what the heck?
Okay. Last
Feels like a Monday.
last co-stream we did, I checked it. Your volume was low on my stream. I'm curious. I'm going to see here. I'm not redlining. You're redlining. So right now you should be at least as loud, if not louder than me. Hopefully I'll check it. You know what? I have my phone.
I think I got input volume at 81.
No, I have the perfect thing to check.
If I'm redlining, you could turn it down. I could turn it up.
No, it's good. It's good. I mean, you're not too redlining. It's not like you're going to be distorting, you know. And if you are distorting, I can just say Omnius was drunk again.
Thought that was yesterday.
Fucking guy comes on the stream when he's drunk. I can't believe it.
I thought that was the only way to stream.
It is the only way to stream. Connected. Okay, get around my ear, you bugger.
The bad part is the trading when drunk. Don't advise trading while drunk.
Yep. Do we have that in the disclaimer?
We need one. Do not trade while drunk.
Oh, do not follow our trades. We're drunk.
Oh yeah, I might need that one too.
Are you streaming also?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it'll let me. As long as it'll let me.
So let me click mine. Let me just check my volume on mine.
This is my second attempt.
At?
Streaming.
Okay.
Yeah, my wouldn't bring my charts up on Prism. Then I finally got the charts figured out and it wouldn't bring the microphone up.
Yeah, okay, the volume is perfect. Yeah, I don't know. We got to figure out how why this happens. How is it that it just loses all its settings?
And then I tried what you said before, to just exit out and reopen it, and that it might hold the stream, but it didn't. I guess Prism cuts the stream off.
Okay, oh, that's terrible. No, OBS doesn't. That's a good thing about OBS.
It didn't even ask. It just killed the stream as soon as I turned it off.
Yeah. Oh well.
Yeah,
I think the volume is good. You can maybe raise me just a little bit on your stream. Not sure. Go talk.
Yeah, can you hear me now? How do you think you sound?
Oh, hold on.
You have been.
We're about even. Good enough.
Yeah, I've been sounding pretty good.
Yeah, everybody on your stream, I think, can hear. And if they can't, then I saw a commercial on Fox News for these hearing aids. They're like $100.
Oh wow!
Okay,
what's up with this big candle?
Yeah, a nice fair value gap, almost off the low. What a shitty opening! I don't know if you saw the opening from 9:30 to 9:45. Wow, what a horrific.
I don't know if you heard what happened, but so I couldn't get my stuff to work. I showed up super late, and I'm like, well, damn, I missed the opening trade. And then I saw this chop sideways, and I was like, well, hey, it hadn't hit it yet. So I turned it on, and within a minute of turning it on, it took the trade.
Did your 2-minute make?
Yeah.
I was watching the 2-minute.
Yeah, it took
it. It was pretty close. It sold at, let's say, 88. And the low was 80, so you had about 8 points max. If I go down looking at the ATR, is 18. Yeah, I wasn't sure what the... I know that the 5-minute or the 15-minute opening range off the 5-minute took a lot of pain, took a lot of heat.
So it took 2 at 87 and 8 at 86.75. And then where was the exit? 81.25 for all of them.
Maybe my ATR is yeah. Let me change that properties. I'm certain you're using a 14-period ATR. Mine's too aggressive. Yep. Makes sense. I see it.
Which is weird because on the trading view, I got 84.70 as the low.
Wow. No, it came in around, it looks around 80.
It's weird how the different charts tell you different things.
Mm.
On NinjaTrader, it's got 79, 75 as the low.
Well, I have to try now and make up some of my losses, in my, at least in my eval accounts. I want to switch to Project X, and those are all new ones, so they're all in drawdown now, and they said they can't switch them over if they're in drawdown. I mean, they're in drawdown by what you see here, 140, 140, 180, but still.
So I guess yesterday was just a sideways day all day, right?
I don't really remember. I don't think so, no. Let me take a look at the 30-minute chart here.
I didn't trade it, but looking back, it kind of looks that way.
Yeah. Well, I quit after I left around 11:15 because I had to do some stuff. So we did have the move down. That's what I'm remembering. But yeah, after that, it was pretty much sideways the whole day.
Guess that was a good day to miss.
I don't know. Volatility is low. Trading action sucks. I'm getting discouraged. I mean, we are in July, and it is July 4th on Friday.
Oh, yeah.
I was saying maybe people are taking the week off. Maybe it's usually a dead week. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I'm not going to expect a huge pickup till September, but at least a little bit.
So thinking of that, we have a holiday this week, right? Friday?
Oh, yeah, Friday. I don't know if it's a half day. Would you know?
I don't know. I have to look into it.
You do that. So there you go, guy. That gives you a reason to check in with us tomorrow. Omnius is going to look into Friday's trading schedule, and he'll get back to you on Friday.
Get back to you on Friday. If you see these faces, the market might be open. If you don't, might be closed.
Let's do that little scalp there again. Limit orders is the best way. There we go. I'm in.
I swear every holiday I see people online saying, why is the market not moving? What's going on?
It's really dead.
We ain't got no movement at all. It's a fucking holiday, man. Spend time with your family.
Damn, all these low risks, very close stop scalps are getting fucking triggered. Shit. Well, I'm 25% accurate on these. Frustrating. The low VWAP again. I'm not going to go against the trend. Gold is going to have a trade. But I want to go for a 3-lot in gold. That's a little bit aggressive for the short side. Oh, so close to triggering it. I'm going to get a better price. If I can get a better price, I'll go in for 3-lot. We'll see what happens.
Looks like on your stream, I got a profile thing over my picture. What's up with that?
Depends on the size. Oh, yeah, you do have something. There you go. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, no, I thought you meant your little subscribe button. But yeah, no, there was those are the settings I was checking. That's how I had to check the volume to see if it was me or you in the beginning, but it didn't go away when I moved my mouse, unfortunately.
You got a bunch of new accounts, huh?
Yeah, Bulenox, I got a ton that I'll renew at 90% off.
Oh, yeah.
More than I need. So 6 or 7 of them renewed just on the weekend. So I'm trading those. And then I have about 5 more. I want to get to 11. I want to get to 11 masters.
Yeah.
and just go slow, you know, and try to get them up to 3,000 or 4,000 in profit. I'm not going to trade them aggressively. Even the one that I lost there that I rotated out of, the master account 261, that's too much. You see, and I have a 175 personal DLL set in Rhythmic, and it didn't even trigger me out. It let me go to minus 261. That's crazy.
It must not be set right.
No, it's set right. Rhythmic just lets you go a little further.
Should be able to set it in Rhythmic and NinjaTrader.
I don't know about NinjaTrader having a setting like that, but I know in Rhythmic. That's another reason why I love Top Step X. Top Step X, you pass by 1 penny, boom, they shut you down instantly. Maybe you have $10, $15 slippage, you know, but they shut you down instantly by 1 penny. Rhythmic, it's like, okay, he hit his PDLL. Let's see what else happens.
Shouldn't be.
Like
No, it should be.
I'll get to it soon.
No, it shouldn't be.
It shouldn't be, but it is. And Joker, I told Joker about it, and he had the same experience. Maybe Rhythmic waits for the 1 minute bar to close to see where you at. You know, maybe it checks it on a certain, I don't know what word to use, interval. Maybe that's why.
I don't know. I would look at it, but last time I looked at Rhythmic while I was trading, it kicked me out of NinjaTrader. I couldn't get back in.
No. I know how to set it. You know, it's an easy setting.
Yeah, you just set the drawdown or whatever. Daily drawdown.
Yeah, you enable it and put in the number. It's easy. There's nothing complicated. It lets you go farther. I know it lets you go farther.
But there's different ways to set it also. You can set it per symbol, I think. I think there's a few different ways you can do it.
Either way. It's closed. Mike Stun says it's closed on Friday. And James G says he had the same experience with the PDLL. Thought maybe they want the bar to close. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. They wait for a bar to close. I really haven't paid attention too much if it's a time-based thing or what, but...
Oh, well, maybe it waits for your trade to close.
Could be too. No. I remember. It shuts them down. Well, put it this way. I had one. It was crazy. If I remember correctly. You know what? I don't even want to stay. Forget it. Because my memory sucks.
It sounds like me.
I don't want to say something worse than what really happened. Maybe it didn't happen the way I remember it. But I do know it lets you go further than your PDLL. That I know for a fact.
Every time I get in an argument with my wife, I'm like, I remember. And she's like, you trust your memory better than mine? Like, whatever. Whatever, go away.
Gonna get a short and gold. I went in the red 4 to 5 times in and out that particular time, and in the end, they did not close. Yeah, I've had that too. You're on that borderline. You're going beyond it, coming back in, beyond it. And every time you go beyond it, don't close. Give me a chance. But it should close it. What's the point of having it if it's not going to close the orders and shut you out for the day? Yeah, I'm guessing if I set it to 175, I'm guessing I could see as much as minus 500 before they close it down. I'm not saying that they close it down at minus 500. I'm just saying that it's possible. If the market's moving a little quickly and it's going against me, they won't close you down right away. Top step, if I have it set at 175, I think it would be a rare day that you see it more than minus 200.
Do you think it would kill you right at the number?
It should, instantly. But maybe that requires too much processing power for them to check every second or every quarter second.
That makes sense.
They don't do it. Somehow Top Step X is able to do it though.
Yeah.
Gone. What's gone, James? You're going? The markets are gone? Your virginity?
It's about time. It happens late for some people. It's okay.
That was an evaluation count, but I bet if it was funded, boom, gone. Would have been more interesting, James, if you're talking about your virginity.
I'm waiting for him to say, no, not that. Like, it'll happen one day. It's okay.
Did you hear about my adventure yesterday?
No.
I went on a hike. I went on a hike with my daughter up north in the mountains.
Oh, God.
For me, a hike is like a flat trail. No. She's got me climbing a mountain. You know when you look ahead and you see a mountain?
Right.
Holy shit, it was 4 hours.
4 hours? What was 4
4
hours?
hours.
What was
The
4 hours?
hike.
No, the fuck it wasn't.
Yeah. The fucking hike.
Bullshit.
Holy Christ, was I exhausted at the end of that.
Better call somebody to come get me.
Pretty much, yeah. And the thing is, we got lost twice. So it was even longer. It was, it's not that long. I mean, 7 kilometers. I don't know. 5 miles. The total thing. But we got lost, so we had to do we got off the trail twice. We had to do extra distance. You know how it is when you know how discouraging it is when you're totally exhausted and you look on the map on your phone that's tracking you and you're on the wrong trail.
Yeah, I know that one.
Oh my God, no, you're kidding me. Call a helicopter. Get me helivac'd out of here.
We went on like a 3-mile hike, and I was already about to give up. Of course, we did a bunch of other stuff besides that, so I was already wore out when we started the hike. It wasn't a hike; it was it really was just a walk.
Yeah,
Wasn't no hike about it.
This was climbing rocks. Not mountain climbing, but it was climbing.
So I don't want to say that the walk was like a hike. This wasn't uphill, downhill. This was just flat.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was going to be. Actually, I didn't know we were doing that.
Like I said, I was wore out before we even started. It's supposed to be like a short walk, and then the other guy's like, "You want to keep going?" I'm like, "I'm following you. Let's do it. Whatever." We just got longer and longer.
Well, now I know my limit. That's all. Hey, way to go, Mike. Like showing the money bags.
Sweet.
I guess he cut the move down.
Sweet. I think we're testing the daily lows, right?
Yeah. Well, what do you define as the daily lows? Like the whole you mean the US session or the whole since well, actually they're both the same.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Could be either or, you're right, but this time they're both the same, so it don't matter.
Yeah. Did we break it? I think we did. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, but we didn't hold.
No.
I don't know if I'd consider it broken unless we can hold it. It's like a little
balance.
It's like a little love tap or something.
Yep.
I think some people would call that a liquidity grab.
Yeah. Yeah, those are the rotations that, or the rejections that OFT trades. I watched quite a few of his streams, and he takes those when they're at significant levels, like this one right here, taking out the daily low. Or thing is, like I said, initial balance, that's it, it's formed now. And when we're very close to the initial balance low, if we break it, usually we continue lower. So I don't know.
I think those types of trades work great, but I think you have to decide what type of trader you want to be. Because if you're a trend trader, then you have to train your mind that you're only going with the trend. If you're a counter trend trader, then you're training your mind that you're going counter trend.
Yep.
And if you're doing both, then your mind's got to process that every time you're trying to get into a trade and you're overworking it, overthinking the trade. Right.
Because your brain is calculating a counter trend trade and a trend trade at the same time.
So to me, I look at it and I see it. It's got a hammer bar. It's forming, and I'm saying this is a great trade. But then at the same time, I'm like, well, I'm only supposed to trade with the trend.
Yeah, that's it. So
I think it's a great trade. I think it's going to work. Am I going to take it? Probably not.
There you go. That's it. Observe it, but don't take it. I asked OFT yesterday, does he just scalp those rejection candles with the wicks at significant levels, or does he let it go maybe for swing all the way back to the US session highs or something? But I got an answer that he understands because he knows how he trades, but I got an answer that didn't help me because he said it depends. And it does. Obviously, it does depend. That's a fully
I would assume on this one you'd go for a 2-for-1, which would put you at about open range high.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah. But I would see 2-to-1 there to go to open range high.
Sim 101 is going to take a short. I'm watching it. The bot's going to take a short. Bot's not doing so hot today. Minus 332.
This is also a good reversal pattern. So not only we got a strong wick pushing up, we got a strong reversal pattern. Could see a 2-to-1 trade up to open range high. Which would also be about VWAP.
Well, look at it. Forget it. I won't make the joke. I was going to make a joke, but you wouldn't get it. The people in the chat would have gotten it, but you wouldn't have gotten it.
All right, tell the joke. I've missed jokes before.
Well, it's not a joke. It's not a two guys walk into a bar kind of. We were talking about rounding bottoms yesterday. And I was arguing with some of the guys in chat. So I was just going to say sarcastically that this is a rounding bottom. And if anybody was paying attention, they would have said, it's not a fucking rounding bottom, you idiot.
Well, that's the thing, is there's a million different terminologies for everything. I got a short trade.
Yeah, I went short too. Target 1, target 2. Way to go. And I'll close it.
Yeah, I'm going to have to close because I got such a shitty feel. Could keep pushing down though. Oh, and we took the low.
Hey, you should see this app I created with Python. I'll tell you about it later. Or maybe tomorrow if you show up. I won't have time today. I'm cutting out at 11:15. That was good. My trade copier is flat. Trade copier is working today. Yesterday I used the trade copier about 10 times. Only 2 or 3 times it didn't make a mistake.
Now what trade copy are you using?
The Apex one. And about 4 times it put my copy accounts in the opposite direction. Mind-blowing.
I don't understand. Why does it have so many problems?
I don't know. And I have the updated version. It's not like I'm using the version from 12 years ago. It seems even worse, the updated version.
I mean, I'm using a free one. I haven't updated in like 5 years.
I can understand. When they're copying the trades, maybe you don't get fills on some of your other following accounts. But the fact that they put me short when the leader went long, that I don't get.
Have you tried using a sim account for the leader? I think that's where a lot of people mess up.
Meaning you should use a sim or you shouldn't use a sim?
Well, I don't know. It depends on the trade copier.
Yeah. Well, they tell you not to use a sim, but I think I had good success using a sim.
They tell you not to?
Yeah, they tell you not to.
I've seen a bunch of people get stuck in trades because the account they're using blows or something, and then they can't get out and blow all the follower accounts.
Yeah. Some props you are not allowed. Well, I'm not sure if it's the prop. I think it's the.
Some props you're not allowed to what?
Use sim. To use sim.
As the leader? Why?
Yeah. All right, well, because they have to come up with rules to fuck you up.
That makes no sense. I never heard that one.
No, neither. I'm sure somebody has it though. Okay, we're moving back up over previous day's low. Look how we bounced off the previous day's low. That's a super phenomenal trade. I didn't see it today. But look how we bounced off the previous day's low at like 10.29. When you come from above, and especially a big distance like that, and you hit the previous day's low, I don't know. I think that's one of the most reliable trades out there.
That trade wound up failing, didn't it? It was only, what, would have been 22 points. So for the possibility to make 50.
Okay, I'm looking for a short in NQ and a long in gold. My ATMs are set.
Looks like we're about to get a short.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. No.
Mike told me to take it. Y'all heard him. Good full port. That was the spot for the disclaimer. This is not trading advice.
So there, my copier fucked up. I gotta find it now and I gotta flatten all.
Fucked up again?
Yep. I have to click flatten all. That was the first time today though. So this is a glorious day for the trade copier.
I feel like everybody complains about the Apex copier.
And what? Yeah, they do. They do. And now I think once it fucks up, I think it continuously fucks up. We'll see. I'll try one more if it fucks up again.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to exit this trade.
I'll shut it. I'll shut it.
Wait for the next one. I don't like the back and forth movement. Might still go, but I'd rather wait for the next one.
So that video, I don't know if you know, but the Daddy's Home meme with Trump, he was at NATO, and the guy said, "Daddy's back, Daddy's home," or "You're my daddy," whatever. So I created the song, but anyways, I love it. I love it because the lyrics are fantastic. It's got my clicker in there. It's talking about my clicker, my problem oversizing, talks about taking 3 lots. Like, I worked on the words to make it specific to me. But I also, worked on the theme, Daddy's Home, just to see if that's going to get me extra clicks and stuff, because it's like a meme now. Nothing. I can't believe it.
I think I was watching the video yesterday. I got a notification when you went live, but I was on my phone. And I wasn't at home, and I was talking to a bunch of people. I was like, I watched for a few minutes, and I heard the song play, and who was it? Somebody with the chainsaw or something, or wood chip.
Yeah,
I think it was wood chip.
Wood chip. But figured with putting new Daddy's Home dropped, I figured those for 4 words as the first 4 words of the title, and I used kind of like a Trump image for the thumbnail in the end. It's not really Trump, but kind of looks like it. Figured there would be some extra clicks. Nothing. 0.
Remember you was asking me something about something in Discord. I never did look. I just got on the computer today. Direct message.
Oh, that was it. I just created 2 thumbnails. One of them I made us both look a little bit like Trump.
Oh,
but you have a MAGA hat on, so I didn't want to use it without permission.
Do I get the Goth MAGA hat? Yeah, sweet. That's pretty cool. No, I use it. It's funny, if anything. I think I was looking at it on my phone. I was like, I ain't got no beard. What the fuck? But I didn't even recognize that it was the Trump thing.
It's a sensitive topic. Fuck it.
Half blind trying to look at pictures on my phone. Actually, I think you were trying to show me through your stream, and then like I can't zoom in or anything. I was like, I can't see anything.
Nice. You got out of the short?
Me? I did, yes. And it was beautiful, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's too bad. That's too bad. That's too bad. And I got out of the short also, and I didn't squeeze out enough juice out of it. I could have squeezed much more out of it. Oh well.
See, this is what I don't like about this market, because I'm so used to my trades just going. And if they don't go, they got have a higher chance of failing. But now we're in this market where they try to go and then they hesitate and then they go. So
Mike is still in the short, Butterstun says. Shit, I would want to play the bike again, but Mike's got diamond hands. Deal me in.
as long as he don't let it go back against them, huh?
Way to go, Butterstunts. Gonna call it there. Butterstunts is up 150. That's deserving.
Sweet. Oh, the
That's
butters?
deserving.
Oh, I didn't get to hear it. Looks cool.
That's deserving of a meme. High roller with the chips.
Sweet.
Yeah, you can play till your fingers wear out and you'll never run out of chips right now, the way it stands.
New trade indicator. You play the dealer game, and if you win, you take the trade.
Yeah, it's like flipping the coin.
See if you're lucky enough for the trade.
This was a good move down.
Let
This was a good move down.
the dealer decide, or the game.
You see what happened, though? I had two hypos, two theses. One of them was that we were going to take out the... we're going to fill the gap. And the other one, which was my less likely thesis, was that we're going to break London lows and take out the previous day's low. But the problem is my brain was thinking, everyone, we're not too far away from the previous day's close. Everyone's going to be thinking, fill the gap. And that bias screwed me up. I hate biases. Really do.
Yeah, I like to just trade what it shows. So I might see a pullback to the previous all-time high. But then we all get to fight over what the previous all-time high was again.
Do flatten all again. On that quick scalp.
Trade copier again?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Not only that, I got a bunch of error messages I had to remove off my screen also.
Are you trading too many at one time or what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm copying to 7 accounts. Very conservatively and carefully.
Now that trade copier you use, does it place orders on all accounts? Like if you open a chart and you put it on a different account and you place the like a limit order or something, it's going to put it in the follower account as well?
Yep, you see all the orders. I think that's the problem. Oh shit. Okay, I'm short. Let's hope this one pays out. Let's go. Reach target.
No shit.
There you go. At least it took one. Let's go reach for the second. 93, we got 10 more points to go to reach for the second target. It's 16 points away from entry. Actually, in this case, it's 16.5 points away from entry. Come on, push. Push.
Now, is this push or pull?
This is push. I'm going to take it.
Yeah, me too. Give my 7 points.
Yeah, take it. One up. Oh, flatten all. Look at all the accounts. Take a look at my stream. Look at all the accounts that didn't get filled.
Yeah. Why?
Wait a minute. I think they were even on the wrong side. I didn't even look. I think they were all on the wrong side of the trade even. I was short. I think they were long.
I was wondering how they were going down as the market was going down.
Yep. I think they went long. That's it. Trade copier got to close and reset it. That's it. Trade copier is totally fucked now. How much money this trade copier has cost me. I should have been green now on all those accounts. Okay, anyways, well, that's it. This is how we learn. Like I said, I got to learn how to play it. Obviously, I got to, I have to know that when one account, or once it screws up, shut it down and reset it. And even that, I'm not even sure if it's good enough. It might be fucked for the day. I'll have to see.
I would try a sim account as the leader account. Just see if it works.
I have already. I tried everything. Didn't help. Shit.
Maybe it's just the day for programs fucking up. Call it Fuck Up Program Tuesday.
It's not a trade copier that I would recommend anyone use.
It's almost the same price as the other one, isn't it?
I paid $150 for it, I think, after the discount.
Yeah, but can't you get the other one for like $150 on a discount?
Which other one?
I'm trying to think of it.
Replicanto,
Replicano, yeah.
Not sure if I'm in the mood for Replicanto. There's the one by, I think it's called Trading Indicators, actually. The one that, what's his name? The guy with the voice. Sounds like Kermit the Frog. Nutty Bar. The one that Nutty Bar is affiliated with.
Is that the one he uses?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Trading Indicators. I think that one is very, very consistent. But no, I mean, I don't need to worry about it because I just got to get all these accounts green. Within 2 weeks, I'm going to have all my Bulenox accounts renew. Ah, that's it. Affordable indicators, yeah.
That's not so affordable.
Yeah, it's pretty expensive, yeah. It is. Let me try and get in now. Positions. Everybody is short. Excellent. The way it should be. Nobody's in a trade in the wrong direction. We just take a quick profit.
This is one of those days where everybody just keeps trying to buy the bottom.
Nope, not working again. I marketed it out and it's still holding a position. Crazy. Not even market orders could it handle properly. Yes, he does, Skeletor. That's the one that he uses. It's a beautiful piece of work, to be honest with you. Oh, I can get back in again, eh? I took out like 30 bucks. 01. I can try and get back in again. Okay. Keep working on the trade cave. Take care. G. Call you G. 0507. I'm going to enter here and see what happens. Even if I get stopped out, it's a great entry.
Who are you calling G?
Garrett Butterstunts.
It's like, where'd the G come from?
His first name.
Copyright
like
Butter Stunts 2025.
It's like calling you Jay. Okay, get back some money there. That was a loser.
What?
Trade safe, guys. Yep.
You let it go
What?
against me?
I went short. Oh, you went long?
No, I went short.
Okay, I lost a little bit. Oh, and there is an account. Oh, that was showing it was in a trade. Anyways.
All right, I kill it there. -10.
Doing my best with what I got. The trade copy is working like crap. I'll figure it out. But starting tomorrow, I'm not going to copy that many accounts. I already said that I'm going to be the one who sells at the bottom. Then it goes up.
Yeah, but look how many times it worked.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Missed once. Well, I like the
Sim
trend.
101. I'd like to see Sim 101 catch a good trade.
I'll take it
is
again. They give
short.
me the signal.
There we go. Sim 101 covered. Took a profit.
I don't know. Are we at some kind of support?
I don't know. I'm trying to get short again.
I don't see nothing. I see 22,600.
Positions all short. Very good. Let's go lower. I'm short at 0375. But the system is short at 08. I'll add over here. We're all short 6. Hopefully we come down. Let's go. There we go. Let me come on, take me out of that little one. It'll improve my average price. Let's go. Let's go. No, not good enough. There we go. I have a better average price now. Everybody's short 3. That's good. Let's push lower for 50 bucks. I'll take 50. I won't be greedy. That's 50 bucks. There we go. Okay. Bit better, back to my 190 from my mistakes. And if I can get back in again, I mean short at the bottom. 22,000 looks far now. Did I start a poll? No, that was yesterday's poll. Short again if I can get in. Oh, great, an orange order. Who doesn't want to? Who doesn't like to see an order? 30 bucks. Take me out, thank you. No, it wasn't 30 bucks. It was supposed to be 30 bucks. Okay, so one master counts up 200, the other master counts down 261. We'll deal with it tomorrow, maybe, not even.
Thought they was going to give us another short signal here. They might still do it.
I already got a short signal.
Yeah, you get in before I do. You're like my pre-check for a signal. Like, okay, Mike's in. Okay, then I should be in just a minute.
The filter.
Yeah. Means I got to pay attention. All right, Mike's in. Okay, I got to pay attention.
Nice. Trading my top step a little bit. Trading inside the noise, actually. Selling at 08, 09, 010. Trying to cover close to 22,701. We should hit 94. It's a 70% target, 94, 694. %, really, to be honest with you. Yeah, I should have been holding for the 694. Oh, it's a draw. Nightbot, 84, 84. Getting close to the 94. 98, 97. Back up.
Yeah, it looks like we're losing momentum.
96, 95, 94. There is the 70% target.
Do it.
Yeah, I was gonna say 87 was the 50% target, but it hit it already also.
Still in?
No. I scalped a little bit on Top Step. I'm happy. I've been neglecting that account.
Neglector. You neglector.
I'm a neglector. I'll get a shirt that says that. Well, I got one of my Bulenox accounts
Yeah, get out.
is plus 28.
Getting the move, then it pushed back up. I feel like we're losing momentum.
Let's try this scalp over here.
Could have took it for 10 points, but didn't take it and it went back against me. Now it'll go, right?
Too slow on that trade.
You got these guys holding for hundreds of points and they look at us scalp for 10.
Yeah, it makes sense. 144 points.
That's what you got? 10 points? You didn't hold? 144 points. Sweet.
Yeah.
So all I got to say is, did he call that trade out?
I'm not sure. I don't think before he entered, though.
They told the rest of us. I still wouldn't have took it.
No, of course not.
I'm so bad about that. I'll tell other people, like, well, tell the rest of us. And they'll say it, and I'm like, nope, it's not my trade plan.
Exactly.
I did not. Mike makes fun of me for doing it. Wait, it makes fun of you for calling the trade?
I make fun of everybody for anything.
Exactly.
I can think of a joke, I'm saying it.
Good job.
Sell gold here, 1 MGC. Stop is super tight.
It'd be boring if you didn't, right? Like, who wants to show up and just be bored all day long?
There you go. Come on, sell down gold. There we go. No, wrong way. Very tight stop. I should put it in. It's so close to hitting that I don't want to. There we go. That's my stop.
That's what she said. It's so close, just a little bit further.
A little bit. There we go. There I got stopped. That's good.
That's
thing I
it.
put the stop in.
That's it. That's all I got.
I'm going to try something a little reckless. I'm going to assume for continuation here.
All right. While you do it, I won't look, and I'll go fill my drink.
Sounds good. Come on, give a push back up to there. Not asking for much. Another $50 or something. I shouldn't be in this trade. I shouldn't be in this trade, so I'm getting out of it. Right? If we make a mistake and we realize it, our job is to correct it as soon as possible. Let's get out of here. Plus, it's 11 o'clock. I'm not supposed to be trading gold. No, I have to give my trading a 9 out of 10 today. I'm very happy with what I've done. Just it's too bad that the trade copier raped me like that, but I guess that's my fault. We'll figure it out. And Q's going back up. We'll bounce over here. Took out the full day's low right there. Not the US session lows, but the complete day's low from yesterday, 6 p.m. And we've just traded lower and quite aggressively. Take a look on the 30-minute chart. What does this look like on the daily? Oh my God, nothing. It's just, it's not even a hiccup. We've gotten over the all-time highs. It's just a pause at the all-time highs. That's or we're going to see something like this, actually. That's a possibility too. But I'm not going to make judgments. I am going to keep it in mind that start to see some acceleration to the downside. I'm going to keep that in mind, but oh, we got another trade in gold. Should I take it? It's a legitimate trade. Let's see if I'll get filled. You know what? It's late for gold. I don't want to take any more trades in gold. It's after 11. I'm going to remove the chart so I don't even see it. It was a short. There you go. But I don't want to take any more trades in gold. Maybe one more in NQ before I cut out. Oh, let me make a call.
What's cutting out?
Oh, me. I'm cutting out at 11:15.
All right, sweet. It looks like all our momentum dried up. Could maybe see a push up to the 22,756. Short from there.
Oh, my volume wasn't on. I said, yeah, I agree. Get back up into right up into the previous day's low and initial balance low. Both of them are at the same level. Not a coincidence.
Yeah, and then when in pre-market we had that low also at 22,756. I didn't even see the initial balance low, but that's a good one too. About the same place.
Yep.
748.
you're paying attention today. Oh, you didn't smile.
I tried to, it just didn't work.
Hey, all my jokes can't be good. They can't all be winners.
You ever feel like you're just too tired to smile?
Oh.
I've been running all weekend. Damn wife, she won't leave me alone. I had to kick her out the house today just to take a break.
Yeah. My wife did the same thing for me yesterday. My dance card was full. She had all kinds of things lined up for me. I got saved by my daughter who said, "Can Dad come on a hike with me?" Sure. I said, "Oh my God, thank God. I got out of all of it." But so what? Now it's on the to-do list for the next time she's home.
Yeah, right. Mine wanted me to go with him today, go swimming. I'm like, no, I'm done. Leave me alone.
Come on, push lower. Let's go. I'm short. Let's go.
Yeah, I really could have took that trade.
Sell it. Sell it.
Do it. Do it.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one too.
Thank you. Come on. There we go. Nice job. Move my stop to break even. Let it go. Thankfully, my trade copier is working. Let's go. Let's get another. Put in a bid. Fill me it. There we go. Everything is good. Count to 10. They always say count to 10 when you enter, before you exit, because you.
What?
There's like a little rule or a little, I don't know, I can't call it a meme. They say before you exit, count to 10. And your result will always be better. I should have counted to 10. Anyways, I did good. Did you catch that?
I did not. I should have.
High five. Oh no, sorry, you didn't catch it.
It's okay. I'm still green on the day. Ha ha.
Yep. Okay, high five. Raise your hand.
Oh, I see. There you go.
There you go. Green is good. Hey, look at my numbers. My numbers are fantastic, man. Why do I say that? Even though they're mostly red? It's because I was deep in the red because of the first trade on the first master account. I let it go a little bit further than I should have, hoping that it would hold. So I'm kind of in recovery on all the other ones. They should be at 145, like you see on the on one of those evals. But look how different all the numbers are, eh? Is that crazy?
It's all over the place, isn't it?
Exactly. That's why I say Top Step X. I don't know if you were around. I didn't know how to explain it. And I finally got it. Everything that I know of is a trade copier. Did I say this to you already? Did you hear this story? Is this like old news to you? Everything is they're all trade copiers. Top Step X is a trade result copier. They don't copy the trades. They just look at the result and then they apply it.
Yeah, you was telling us about that.
Yeah, so that's a perfect way to explain it. It's a trade result copier. It's not a trade copier. It just looks at the result of your leader account and then applies it to all your follower accounts. To the penny. All of them.
Yeah, but that's something you can only do with that's something they do for their customers. That's an extra.
Yeah.
You can't expect that from a real actual trade copier. Still going down?
Yeah, I'm gonna get another entry. I'm not sure I want to take it. I
Look,
gotta shut down.
We did just have that big move down. I don't know. I'm gonna shut down with you.
Took it. I gotta shut down in 5 minutes.
And you took the trade?
Yeah, I hope it's not a mistake. There we go. I'm out. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Okay, that was a little scalp.
But why? If I was
know,
just taking one more trade.
Because you know what? If I would have lost on that, it would have ruined my lunch.
Yeah. Especially if you just get that big candle up.
Yeah. Okay, I'm closing my stream. I'm not sure if you want to stay on. I want to show you something in Discord, so I will.
Yeah, that's cool.
No,
I'll meet you over there.
We'll
close this up.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Have a good day, Mike, also, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope we all had a good stream. It was fun. I had some good laughs. Not all my jokes hit the mark, but I'll do better tomorrow.
Appreciate everyone.
Take care, Skeletor. Bye-bye.
Might stream tomorrow, might not. I don't know what my schedule is. Hopefully, we'll see. Everyone have a good day. Peace.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real.